Capturing real-world objects in digital form shouldn't be complicated, and the best 3D scanners make it effortless. Designed for precision, speed, and versatility, these scanners let designers, engineers, and hobbyists create accurate 3D models with ease. Here are the best 5 3D scanners that combine performance, reliability, and advanced features for every project. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Creality K1 Max 3D Scanner. Unleash your creativity and bring the real world into digital perfection with this groundbreaking handheld marvel that redefines what's possible in 3D scanning. Imagine effortlessly capturing everything from delicate coins and intricate figurines to full human bodies, furniture, or even massive vehicle parts, all with one versatile device that adapts seamlessly to any scale. The innovative 4-lens stereo vision system is the star here, featuring dual long focal lenses dedicated to tiny objects for breathtaking detail reproduction, and dual short focal lenses optimized for larger items to encompass broader areas without compromise. This clever setup handles scan volumes from a minuscule 10 by 10 by 10 millimeters up to an enormous 2000 by 2000 by 2000 millimeters, with working distances spanning 110 millimeters to 1200 millimeters, making it incredibly flexible for hobbyists digitizing artifacts, artists modeling sculptures, engineers reverse engineering components, or designers prototyping custom fits. Smoothness is elevated to new heights thanks to advanced one-shot 3D imaging technology that naturally stabilizes tracking, minimizing shakes and preventing frustrating loss of alignment even during freehand movements. Clocking in at up to 20 frames per second, scans flow quickly and intuitively, turning potentially tedious sessions into enjoyable explorations. Precision reaches an astonishing 0.02 millimeters, powered by cutting-edge structured light stereo matching algorithms and superior optical engineering that faithfully replicate every contour, edge, and texture with stunning clarity. No more worrying about dark or metallic surfaces. It excels at scanning black and shiny objects directly without needing powders or sprays, opening doors to effortless captures of tires, car bodies, machinery, or glossy collectibles. Vibrancy comes alive through the integrated million-pixel full-color RGB camera paired with a proprietary color mapping algorithm, delivering rich 24-bit true-to-life hues that preserve authentic appearances in your models. Advanced DOE structured light technology enhances environmental resilience, performing brilliantly outdoors under sunlight up to 30,000 lux, so you can scan in natural settings without limitations. Supplemental LEDs illuminate details in low light, while eye-safe near-infrared light ensures comfort for face and body scans. Compatibility extends across Windows and macOS for wired reliability, with optional wireless accessories unlocking mobile freedom on iOS and Android. The ergonomic all-metal build feels premium and durable in hand, complete with intuitive touch controls, audible feedback, and real-time LED indicators for effortless operation. Pros: ultra precision, vast range, full color, anti-shake. Cons: software limits, reflective challenges. Number 4. Revopoint Metro X 3D Scanner. Step into the realm of metrology-grade precision and watch ordinary objects transform into flawless digital masterpieces. With this extraordinary handheld powerhouse, engineered for professionals who demand uncompromising accuracy, it harnesses industrial blue laser technology to capture intricate details on everything from gleaming metal parts and dark molds to complex mechanical components, often without any scanning spray at all. The secret lies in its powerful 14 crossed blue laser lines, accelerated by compatible GPUs for blazing speeds up to 60 frames per second, delivering single-frame accuracy of 0.02 millimeters, point precision down to 0.1 millimeters, and fused point clouds at 0.05 millimeters. Numbers that rival expensive stationary systems, yet fit right in your hand or on a desktop setup. Versatility explodes with 4 specialized scanning modes tailored to conquer any challenge. Cross lines and parallel lines excel at taming tricky, shiny, or reflective surfaces with meticulous detail, Full field mode unleashes rapid data acquisition, hitting up to 7 million points per second for swift, large area coverage. And the ingenious auto turntable mode pairs with a dual-axis motorized platform and tripod for completely hands-free. Automated captures that yield stunning color-accurate models, perfect for quality inspections or rapid prototyping. Tracking adapts intelligently too. Feature mode locks onto rich textures naturally. Marker mode ensures reliability on smooth blank surfaces with simple stickers. And global marker mode boosts overall volumetric precision for elaborate shapes, making it a dream for industrial reverse engineering, precise measurements, creative design iterations, or meticulous 3D printing prep. Setup feels effortless, yet profoundly capable, supported by the included lithographic calibration board that guarantees consistent reliability through quick software-guided checks. Dive into the free RevoScan 5 software, packed with pro-level tools for point cloud processing, fusion, meshing, advanced editing, and seamless exports in multiple formats compatible with heavyweights like Quick Surface or Geomagic Wrap to supercharge CAD pipelines. Running smoothly on Windows and macOS systems with x86-64 architecture, it turns raw scans into polished, actionable files ready for manufacturing or visualization. Safety comes built in with a Class 2M laser. Just avoid direct close-range staring, while the robust design balances portability for handheld freedom with stability for automated sessions. Pros: metrology precision, laser speed, mode variety, shiny compatibility. Cons: GPU dependency, laser safety. Number 3. Revopoint Miraco 3D Scanner. Experience true freedom in 3D scanning with this revolutionary all-in-one standalone device that puts professional power right in your hands. No computer or tangled cables required. Lightweight at just 750 grams, it feels like an extension of your creativity as you roam freely. Capturing intricate details on location with a built-in 5,000 mAh battery delivering up to 2 hours of continuous scanning, and blazing 50-watt fast charging that hits 80% in only 35 minutes. Precision shines with single-frame accuracy reaching 0.05 millimeter, combined with a stunning 48-megapixel full-color RGB camera that layers photorealistic textures onto your models, producing vibrant, lifelike results ready for immediate 3D printing, modeling, or sharing. Choose single-shot mode for rock-solid tracking on both feature-rich and marker-assisted plane surfaces with minimal overlap and maximum fidelity. Or blast through projects in continuous mode at up to 15 frames per second for rapid data collection. Everything processes on board thanks to a beastly 8-core 2.4 GHz processor, generous 16 GB RAM handling up to 5,000 frames smoothly, and 256 GB storage, keeping all your projects safe and accessible. View your progress in breathtaking clarity on the flip-up 2K 6-inch AMOLED touchscreen that rotates 180 degrees for perfect angles, even enabling effortless selfie-style face and body scans. When needed, mirror the display wirelessly or transfer finished models via ultra-fast Wi-Fi 6 or USB-C in versatile formats like PLY, OBJ, STL, and more to macOS or Windows setups. Elevate further with integrated editing tools for on-device meshing, alignment, and refinement. Or leverage the professional Revo design software powered by Quick Surface for streamlined scan-to-CAD conversions, ideal for reverse engineering, product design, and efficient data management on compatible systems. This portable powerhouse turns ambitious ideas into tangible reality anywhere inspiration strikes, blending portability, performance, and pro-grade results into an exhilarating tool that redefines what's possible for makers, designers, artists, and engineers alike. Pros: standalone freedom, versatile scale, full color, high precision. Cons: battery life, weight carry. Number 2. Creality CR Pro 3D Scanner. Unleash unparalleled precision and speed in 3D digitization with this hybrid powerhouse that masterfully blends blue laser and near-infrared technologies for results that rival industrial metrology tools. Ideal for engineers reverse engineering automotive parts, Artists capturing lifelike sculptures, manufacturers inspecting large components, or makers prototyping everything from tiny gears to full-scale furniture and vehicles. The revolutionary multi-mode system switches seamlessly between 22 intense blue laser lines for ultra-high resolution captures and 7 parallel near-infrared structured light modes for efficient coverage of medium to large objects, delivering metrology-grade resolution at 0.02 millimeters and volumetric accuracy of 0.02 millimeters plus 0.08 millimeters per meter, ensuring every contour, edge, and surface is reproduced with forensic detail that stands up to professional scrutiny. Conquering traditionally tricky materials becomes effortless thanks to advanced laser algorithms that handle highly reflective metals, deep black surfaces, and even transparent automotive glass, with up to 71% transmittance directly without sprays or tedious prep work. The extraordinary adaptability spans an incredible range from delicate 5mm miniatures to towering 4-meter structures, making it a single solution for diverse projects where other scanners would falter. Blazing capture rates hit an industry-topping 60 frames per second, turning lengthy sessions into quick, fluid workflows that keep momentum high and frustration low. Elevate mobility further by pairing with the optional CR-Scan Bridge ergonomic handle for truly wireless handheld operation, granting untethered freedom during extended scans. Vibrant 24-bit full-color mapping preserves authentic textures and hues, while intuitive Creality software on Windows or macOS streamlines alignment, meshing, editing, and exports in standard formats ready for 3D printing or CAD integration. Robust yet portable, it empowers creators to explore bold ideas, solve complex challenges, and bridge physical objects to digital realms with exhilarating accuracy, versatility, and reliability that pushes creative and technical boundaries skyward. Pros: metrology accuracy, hybrid modes, material mastery, extreme range. Cons: accessory dependency. Number 1, and the winner is Creality Surmoon S1 3D Scanner. Dive into professional-grade 3D digitization with this cutting-edge hybrid handheld scanner that combines versatile blue laser and NIR structured light technologies to tackle the most demanding engineering projects with exhilarating precision and speed. Whether reverse engineering modified engine components, capturing expansive automotive body curves, scanning intricate mechanical assemblies, or rapidly modeling human figures for custom fits, its multi-mode system adapts brilliantly to every challenge. Switch seamlessly to dual NIR structured light modes for marker-free efficiency. Standard stereo lenses ensure high accuracy on detailed surfaces, while the ultra-wide field of view devours vast objects and full bodies in record time, completing human scans in as little as 2 minutes. Blazing performance reaches up to 90 frames per second in parallel or single-line setups, and 70 FPS with crosses, acquiring a staggering 1,428,000 points per second for fluid, real-time data flows that make complex projects feel swift and intuitive. Anti-shake tracking keeps alignment rock solid during freehand movements, turning potentially tricky sessions into smooth explorations. The intuitive Creality Scan software elevates the experience with beginner-friendly step-by-step tutorials, one-click processing for instant models, advanced point cloud editing, global marker support, and dedicated face-body modes that streamline specialized captures. Dive deeper with professional tools like seamless exports and direct integration into industry staples such as Geomagic Control X for inspection, Design X for reverse engineering, or Verisurf Inspect for quality control, bridging scans effortlessly to CAD workflows or 3D printing pipelines. Pros: metrology accuracy, blazing speed, hybrid modes, deep feature capture. Cons: system requirements. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.